Well, Crawlspace encapsulation day 3 began interestingly. We have multiple contractors coming in here, and in the morning one of the HVAC guys came in and stepped right here, snap. And the guy I was talking to, I said, "That floor joist just snapped?" The guy just kept right on going, said, "Yep." Well, our Crawlspace team crawled underneath there and found out they did need replaced, 6 of them to be exact. One of them had just snapped. He showed me video of it. The good news is we're getting that fixed while everything is getting fixed. It's very little additional cost. I was very happy with the additional estimate. I signed off on it, and they're going to put that in tomorrow. This is the drain system they're putting in along the footer all the way around the inside of the crawl space. It's very interesting. It's flexible. It's got multiple channels, and it is covered. They put some of that, buried it already in. Meanwhile, I got in the bathroom and just started pulling up subfloor and realized I'm going to pull all this up. It was a Vantec. They had redone it back in 2008, but it was soft. It wasn't quite particle board, but it was not as rigid as I'd like, and I want it done correctly. Took everything out underneath the shower, underneath the HVAC room, which is going to become a closet. All this is going to get replaced. I am seriously contemplating taking this tiny little closet, which is only about 8 inches deep. It's not even enough to fold a towel inside. Thinking about knocking that all out, moving the shower over, or just taking it all out and starting with a blank slate and letting Mama Kiki figure out what she wants for bathrooms. We have a rectangle 16.8 by 9.10. How will we put it back together? This is the encapsulation barrier that they're installing next to those tanks for the spray foam. The April air unit is on, and the sump is manned and ready. Turn off the crawl space. Now I'm going to watch my electricity bill very, very carefully with all this open subfloor, dust, mess, debris, all this open subfloor. I don't want my dehumidifier and my furnace to get in a war with each other. that could get expensive.